Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of Camp Chef's Woodwind Pro pellet grill with me, Max Good. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here's Camp Chef's Woodwind Pro. Let's jump right into what makes this pellet smoker unique. Pro's Smoke Box. Fill this box with wood chunks and slide it in over the fire pot to ignite them. This handle flips up to expose the wood chunks to the wood pellet fire in the fire pot. The pellet hopper has a slide-out pellet chute. This metal piece prevents the chute from opening accidentally. You see the chute door open and close at the bottom. Fill the hopper with wood pellets and check out your pellet fuel level through this small window. Here's the controller and power switch. The various functions are typical of Wi-Fi pellet smokers, except fan mode. Read our review to learn more about fan mode. Left side shelf, right side shelf, and lower storage shelf. And casters on all 4 legs. Here's Camp Chef's removable ash cup. There's a slide-out bottom under the fire pot that drops wood pellet ashes into the cup. Come around the back, there are 2 adjustable exhaust dampers. Close them down to hold smoke in, or open wide to create more airflow. The hood is double-walled to hold in heat, augmented by a heavy ribbon of insulation. The angled drip tray under the cooking grates catches grease. Here's the temperature probe that monitors cooking temp. The grease gets diverted into a grease bucket hanging on the right side. And we got removable stainless steel racks that slide in above the main cooking grates for extra capacity. Well, let's get going. We're mighty curious about that smoke box. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.